Can include what question? So you need to go and ask them.
Sir, but if at the end the party conclude to have a consensus candidate, will you abide by that?
You said the party. I'm a member of the party now, but I'm a member of the party. So if the party, if that's the party's decision, then once it's a process that all of us participate in, well, is my colleague. Then all of them there are people I know. We're just gisting. Nothing more than just we're telling stories.
Okay, sir, please consider.
They say that I'm a youth, so what do you have in mind?
I'm considering you.
I'm 60.
Right. You're the youngest. You're the youngest aspirant.
So I'm 60. So if you're asking what they have in mind for us,
Right.
all of us who are the youth.
Yes.
But you see, it's not what you have in mind for me. What you have in mind for Nigerians, especially the poor Nigerians. Look at education. Nigeria has effectively broken education into two: for the rich and for the poor. The rich go to private schools, the poor go to public schools. Again, I always say, please make this in a referendum. All of us have been we have held one position or the other. Let's go back to what the positions we served and assess us by that. I was governor of Rivers State. I built education to the standard that people were withdrawing their children from private schools to government schools. You can ask. I'm ready to sponsor the people to go to university and ask. We built health infrastructure, employed 400 doctors. When we came, it was just 200 doctors. We had 400 more to make it 600. And then we pursued free healthcare. Free healthcare does not mean that you won't pay. I mean, that government won't pay. Doctors were told to see you, assess you, and charge government. At the end of the month, we pay it to the hospital. If it's a government hospital, we pay the money to the government hospital. If it's our primary healthcare centers, we go to have primary healthcare in every village. And every primary healthcare had a doctor, had 2 nurses. So we paid money to the primary healthcare based on the number of patients we saw. And then they use that money to run the health centers. So assess us by what we have done and reach a conclusion. Well, I'm hearing I'm from north, I'm from south, I'm from east. I'm not from south or east or west. I'm a Nigerian. If I become a president, I will not be in this issue. There will be citizenship. So first and foremost, citizens of Nigeria. All this, I'm west, I'm north, I'm east. And they're calling people to vote for you based on religion and
will you abolish federal character based on what you say?
There will be no federal character. Every Nigerian will be a member of the federation. See, federal character is because the system is unfair. So one way to manage the system is to say give shares to areas of this. Make everybody okay. Let me give you an example. If everybody is employed, would that be armed robbers? I used to say it's in Port Harcourt. I say if all of us are working in share, you won't have time to rob because 6 a.m. you're at work, 6 p.m. you are closed. You are too tired to wake up to carry gun. The reason why you're seeing people carry gun, kidnap people, is because the system